I pray to God.
Go on, puppy, down there, man.
You know, so dog, things are run slow now and we need to start Chopline. You see me? Because you see money I hard idea, you know. And nothing not really go on right now, so we have to start putting some work on Chopline.
Yeah, dog, right now. A chopper me I study to become right now, me I tell you. Chopper. I want Chopline wicked.
You say you want to be a real chopper?
Real chopper, brother, me I tell you.
Chopper? Chopper. So if you chop grass, you chopper too.
What kind of grass you talk about, boy? I'm to a country boy. A country you come from?
Country? Look like a country boy. Me not a country boy, my brother. But me I talk about the choppings we not talk about. If I real money or what. Cause me want to learn to chop the line too.
Yo, what your name?
My name Corey.
Yo, Corey. A clown you try clown out. Yo, Tugga make a man know say a banger phone you pick up and Chopline, man.
Brother, when we Chopline, we make millions, brother.
Millions.
Millions.
You not talk about no chop no grass.
You not talk about brother. You not talk about money.
Grass
What do you,
you
brother?
want chop, you lift up from your economy, you see me?
So what kind of grass you want to chop? Line or grass?
Brother, we chop a line.
Yo, stop talking to him, cause I eat that. Back to me, I say.
Bug now bug out me.
Hey boy, more friends.
One year ago, man. That's some real money we fear make you out.
No, dog, that me pray to. Soon start chop a line now. And me have my thing them ready. So make sure you have your thing them line up too.
Me have all of the necessary things that I need already.
Alright. So watch out. Tomorrow we are starting.
Early.
Yeah, hope I whoop now, what's it?
Not so 40.
No, see alright, that early, you know.
Early.
Alright, no, see alright. What the fuck still I'm now waste no time still I'm gonna start from now.
That's strange number this time.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, this is Freddy.
What?
No. This is Freddy from the Mega Million company. No, sir. This is not a scam. This is real cash, live cash on the line, okay? How much? This is $3.5 million, okay?
$3.5 million?
I know. Calm down. I know you should be jumping for joy right now, sir.
No, man, I'm calm, man. I'm very calm.
Okay, so just send me your address so I could come over to your place of residence today, okay? Okay.
My address. If I send you my address.
I know, sir, we should have your address, but the paperwork's got messed up and we need to get back your
If I
address.
send you my address.
Okay, so just send it to this number. Yes. Alright.
3.5, yeah, man. Address? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, man, I feel good. Hey, no, let me tell you this.
Just send it to... I want to pay, man. Come like a waste of time, this be, you know.
Me hang up. Dirty boy, what you want? Give me 3.5 million. 3.5 would be nice, though.
On that Tugga down there. So you do it, bro?
Brother, think you check me from when, dog.
So I think you say me I wait pan you. And you come like y'all start at dial couple number
No,
already.
me just a press. All at this morning me start. I'm thinking you check me because you say early. You see me?
Alright then, go do your right thing. Cause me have everything lined up in the cause me I'll have 2 number then active, you see me?
Man, I do what you do, man. Can I sit down?
Yeah.
No. So I go on.
Hello? Yes, how are you doing today? Is this Miss Jen? Okay, hold on. I'm going to hang over the phone to my manager, okay? Talk to her.
Yes, ma'am. This is Mr. Smith. Okay?
What?
Put on, man. Pay that woman you give me for call. Go just start, brother. Nothing now go on you.
I'm punching in a number. Wanna know ring you?
Me tell you,
But you know, where they on the friend? Because right now I feel hungry, you know.
you have to get some feed and
Yeah,
fall.
no, I'll check you back, you see me?
I just do right.
So check you, you know.
Someone.
Mommy. What?
There, my son.
Everything alright?
I'm trying to make it be okay. How you do?
Just come off my road, you know. You don't cook no food.
You know, so I cook some dumpling and butter around there. Because you know, with all the money part go with the meat kind, I don't have no money. But I left some for you. I not done it, you know, so I not go cook and eat off it and not get none. You understand?
Yes,
So when you're ready, remember to hot up the flour them before you put the butter on it so it can melt and it tastes better.
So, Mommy, where's the day?
Me day alright, you know. Once me have life, I am okay.
I have to give thanks, you know.
So you know, you're going to work on the road.
Work?
Mm.
Yeah. Me hear about a little thing. Me walk past some brother up on the street there. And I'm tell him about Chopline. So me answer him if I chop the line, I chop grass, you know. So me come for ask you what kind of Chopline business them a talk about.
You go to school today?
Yeah, I'm go to school today.
I send you to school to learn. And not everything you hear people say or do, you have to pick up and put on your head. You will put yourself in a problem. So if you hear them a chat about chop and you don't understand, me can go at the hardware and get a machete for you. Anybody have them yard for chop, all you do chop it. And when you get the money, just take it and send yourself to school when me not have nothing to give you. Once I chop them at about a grass, you can do it. Because I don't work a figure, I can easily borrow my neighbor machete then. Or me buy one machete and give you. Go chop the grass. I don't know nothing.
But Mama, you know, I'm not like borrow people things, you know.
Well, Miss Matty did tell me say she have some dirty clothes to give me for wash. As soon as I wash them and get the money, I go to the hardware, buy a machete for you and you go chop the grass and get your money. Here?
Makes
Okay.
sense.
Yeah, man. Remember say me always work for Miss Matty, you know. And she supposed to have all the dirty clothes, you know. Me have to go manage all with me can't manage because I need the money to give you. You understand? Alright. Go and run a back. Go hot up the flour them. Hot up the dumpling them. When they hot, then taste better with the butter. Mix little sugar and water and drink. We don't have nothing more. We will survive.
Hello, good night.
Good night. Me good neighbor.
What?
Boy, nothing too good now go on, you know. Me don't go have the smile on my face, but stress a kill me. Me have much bills to pay and all kind of sitting. Call if you ask if you don't know nobody, want somebody to work. Or you don't know no little business place so we need somebody. Whether one little restaurant or so. Eh?
You know, we don't know nobody else that still. But you can't tell us son come chop me out still, you know.
You don't know nobody at all.
We don't know nobody at all, man. But you say, you can't tell my son come chop me out, you know.
Anyway,
Yeah.
alright, you say you don't know nobody, but thanks still. Me will send my son come and you give him the little work.
All right, tell him go.
So how much money you go pay him?
Who is you when you work?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright then, thank you very much. Corey, come here.
This is what you don't play in the pot for me.
Come here. Come right here, so. Remember, say, we not have it. A 4 dumpling me did left around them. I don't understand how you say one. You look like the puss eat it out. But go on and eat that, man, and learn to satisfy. Anyway, me just call my neighbor, Papai, and they ask him if he want a job.
So you say about it?
He don't know nobody. We want nobody to work for them. But he say fee me had one cut. And if he send you come.
I win that.
Remember say we not no money. And any little thing we get to do, we have to do it for help one another. So me go make you go. He not tell me much money in the game, you know. He say you have to watch this how you work. If you work good or how well the work done, then he will pay you. So one still, all when you little bit techie, all when you vex techie, God will help you one day. You hear? Yes.
Yeah.
Whatever we in, we soon come out of tight. Me like how you learn at school. Me never get the chance to go to school, you know.
You sit down and eat this.
What a lucky thing me send you at school. I see you have to take your book and come out to something good in life. Hold up your head. Now follow your friend them. You see how hard we have it? Remember say tomorrow, early in the morning, you have to go chop the neighbor yard right beside where you saw. On the right hand side, not the one over the left hand side, because me and them no agree. You hear what me say?
Yes, mom.
Okay. Else dog nyam we supper cause nothing in your feet. And last dumpling that way puss left you get your lucky.
I do. Oh, you see that Chopline thing I want now? Easy, man.
You could kill the kid, you drop. You drop on the kid. You know your mother?
I mean, no matter.
Tell me right here, I told me that I look like front for your mother and you want to come chop my line. You lick your head? I bet you not do it. Raise up your hand.
See, if me chop line, you know what this I do? And something good this I do for me, you know?
You chop off all your hand enough, you chop my line, you know? Go on.
Oh.
Go on.
So come out for me.
Go on. Come out of my yard. Go out. You're tired, man.
Hello.
Hi.
What?
No,
You just coming here?
no man, me there a week ago.
Well, you know, say some food me there go get run from the shop there and thing. Cause see, all mosquito bite me. See money.
So, early money I try use to impress me. And that I didn't even know heap of money too. As I start spending it done. What you take me for?
Don't worry about money, man. That you worry about. Anything there for you, man. You see me? But me nah go grow in the corner still, you know. Cause I see you. But then I know say I see you a lot of times. But me I tell you straightforward, say me like you and thing. You see me? But I move on. So give me a phone and put the number in it. Cause see a bright future between me and you know. So anything could happen. See there?
Do you see your name?
Corey, my name. So what you name?
Angel.
Angel.
Yeah.
Alright, we soon make a start fly.
Hello? Yes. Wonderful good afternoon. How are you doing today? Yes, this is Peter and I'm calling from the Publishers Clearinghouse. Yes, you have won $2.5 million, okay? Yes, man. Yeah, I know you're excited. Yes, so all you have to do is just get yourself a paper and a writing pen, okay? Yes. Don't worry, man. This is no scam, okay? This is real thing I'm talking about, okay? You have won $2.5 million. This can change your life, okay? Yes. So all you have to do is just call me when you send off that money, okay? Alright, have a wonderful day. Why pray?
Day in my father.
Everything good?
Yeah, man. So watch it. You get you on the line.
Yeah, man, it look like the one here, I work with the floor. Watch now. You see all this house here? I one of them more build up my youth and drive a whip. But watch now, normal pre. One night I know, when me see you come down here, son, me and my boy down there, me here talk about if I grass we a chop. Oh, you did high? What want you?
Yo, hear me I say. But you just want to find out a little thing. Is it my father?
Well, space today for everybody, you know, but you have to lucky. You see me, but me just hope the one here. You just work with the flow and selling piece of money. Cause me I got nice. What? Remember me tell you.
Boy, get a whip in
Yeah, man.
Yo, if me did ever tell you what go on down the road a while ago. You know, say me go take up a machine and go for go chop a line. And a boy run out from me and say, how you do?
So what go on?
Man run me out of my yard because me say I chop me a chop a line and me see so. Ready if you go chop a line in my dead.
Chop a line.
But guess what? No, me see the right thing where you are do.
Oh! So a line you could chop then, brother. You really don't know what go on, man. But watch you know. You can work with me, brother. You see me? Just get one of them, man. You see me? Text now we a beat. You see me? That is it, man.
Get to here, so you know. So you see anytime you get back a phone, you know the thing.
I watch you know. You can all come below with me, man, and just watch me deal with it. See any money me make. Me give you a piece of food. You see me? So you can just there with me at daytime. Because me change up ends, you know. Let me people study me.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
If people study me, you know, then you know, so we have them going around like a circle.
That is
You
it.
see me?
Merry-go-round.
Up here, so. You see, if I keep it up here, so.
Have everything locked. Right, move, man.
Know the thing.
Everything good though?
Yeah, everything have to be proper. And
Me will see if me can call about the woman and see if he send anything here. So just link me up. Cause we have to make it, you know.
more you are going still, you know. Dial. You are going on the line.
Hello? You have sent it? Oh my God. Okay. Okay, man. I'm gonna call you back later, okay? When I have received it. Okay. Yo. We're done with property and now in a dog. Oh my God.
Me tell you, as we talk about the whip.
Alright, since this is going on now, here we are going. Don't check me till me check it, you see me? Me deal with the crime man, check it. Safe, you know.
Yeah, man, you know the code and look out here. Street no love nobody, man.
Real talk. Go on, you know, ask me back again, you know. Boy, my life nice, I know.
Worry. Let's move it. The chicken back not done Friday.
Not done yet. We have 5 more pieces left.
I'm walking around there and I'm out in the chicken back and for 1 pound me buy me not have no money.
Well, no, I'm not going to take out one.
Alright. Hurry up man, me hungry.
It's soon done. How that?
Nah, man, I want to copy that.
Yeah, deal with. Me now price some chicken from mother, you know.
Do you right, me there?
Alright, we're soon forward.
Corey,
Yes, mommy.
how will me hear they call you a little while?
When I'm a virgin, come give me a little check. I mean, him go up on the road go do something.
What you want?
Huh?
What you want?
No, man, I just want to look at something.
When they outside?
Yeah, I'm outside.
Hold on. How are you?
Me a Corey Bridging, man.
So what your name?
Uppy than my name.
How was your parents?
Marcia.
So which part you live? Where you come from? Why first me I see you when I saw?
Show me not to come out still, you know.
But you come out today, you come carry up my son out the road to put him in a trouble. How old you be?
I'm 17.
You're 17.
Young chopper out here.
You chop who?
Line, me chop now.
Line. I close me ink pan line, you know. Where for your parents there?
Then they are work.
So your parents know which part you're there? Because I the first me I see you in them area. You always come around here when me not there to my son.
No, so me was him on the front.
Anyway, me have picnic too, you know. So me not go talk to you now we hard and out order. No way hard at all. Me respect you. Come on, you show me respect. Me older than you. But I hope you not take my son and go put him in no trouble.
Also, my boy.
Corey?
Like,
Your friend.
I'm a little virgin, mommy.
What that mean when you just do?
no, I'm just saying I'm Virgin.
No, what that you just do? Do you know?
Aliens, man.
Little eel. Mommy, you know.
Anyway, Corey, go and go talk to your friend. Don't stay too long. Because I don't want my son in no mix up and no trouble. I don't want no police come on me yard. You say your name again?
Uppy then.
Puppy Dan. What do you mean Puppy Dan? Your father a dog? I don't understand you.
No, sir.
So how you name Puppy?
Just get a name from a little, yeah.
Oh. Anyway, you look like a one nice little boy, but be careful. Nobody can my son go put him in no trouble. Do because me no have it. Me no have it. Me poor and needy. Me no have it. Right now, me not work. Me not no money if police lock him up. Do. I hope you not plan to go thief nothing, you know.
No.
And put me picking in no problem, you know. Because I don't know you, you know. I don't know if you find you. Because lie they tell me about your parents, you know. Anyway, you chicken back done?
Yes, man. Take a look at
Pass it, let me see if you burn up it. Because if you burn up it today, you want to near me. Let me see it. Because if you burn up it, you want to near me.
Tell them don't burn up.
They look nice, man. They look pretty. Boy, me I tell us, you learn. You learn, you know. You can cook. Any woman you get, them are going to love you. Because you're a big chef. All right, my son. Go on with your friend, but don't stay too long on the road. Because you see police them, they don't like see little young boy on the road look certain type of way, you know. It's worse if you don't look suspicious. So be careful when you go out on the road. Don't do nothing wrong if they can't lock you up. Because me not happy and you know. No put yourself in no trouble.
Yes, ma'am.
Anytime police lock you up and you no put yourself in trouble. So be careful. You hear me they want you? Alright, me gone. Give me chicken. You take out for you already? Me eat and left for you. Give me it. Alright. See him some of them near me. I have no rice nor no flour.
Right, it's hot here. You see me just don't fry some chicken and things. But our program you know.
Boy, you know, so me have a little crime for your mats up door. I don't know if you have nobody can mats up it for me. You know, say, he said money they me did for collect though. Some problem with my accounting, it nah send. You see me? Can't collect him, I don't know what happened. You see me, they must send the money in reach in my account. So me I wonder if you could have collect it for me. You see me? Or you have a brethren you can collect it for me, you see me?
Can't match up that man. Easy one to that for me do, you see me?
Here we go now. I want the information, you see me? The account information. So type up in my phone for me there.
Yeah man, an easy one too man.
Cause watch you know, I call back here, somebody now and I'm send it right now. So just get ready and go out there, go collect it and show up my back, you see me? Just link me back, you see me?
Alright, my father. Name. While the thing with name, can put my name, address, and account number. That's it.
Yeah man. So just go and get ready and deal with the matter. So I come here call off this my day now, you see me?
Yeah man, this call the client and link my
Uh.
account, you see me? They know you are this.
Oh, no, say 40. Yes, everything is okay now. All you have to do is just receive that information I sent you, yes, just a while ago, and send it to that account. Yes, I can trust him, man. Okay, so when I receive it, yes, you'll get your price. Okay, have a wonderful day. Yo, you know some I see man now I don't have to charge him. But me not worry him still, you see me? I have to hold him. A good thing me I'll have another client on the line too, you see me? Me link you. When everything starts out, I me link you, yeah man.
Hello, who this?
Yeah, hello mommy. Yeah, what? You know some have something for tell you though.
Corey, how you get phone from?
What me I tell you is, make a decision. So, I know how you really feel no way, or take it to say I run me or what, but I'm not gonna come in tonight.
What you say? Me not understand you. Me not understand you.
Just understand
What you
me,
mean?
man. So me can't go come in tonight because something me I do, so it's my decision and it's my benefit.
What you plan for do? Me not understand you. And what you plan for do so? I hope it's something good.
Yeah, alright, just hear me say. It's my benefits, so me have to do what is right, but me don't really want you to worry because it's my number this now, you know. So you can call me anytime, anywhere. But
You were
just listen me now. But you can call me, but all the while me go answer.
No. Me not in a way you in a.
Mommy,
It's
just
up
hear
to
me,
you.
listen to mommy. You
It's
can
up to
call
you.
Me, but it's not every time
Anything
me
you
go
want
answer.
do, do it.
Mommy,
What you say, you not come home tonight? How could I cause this now, Jesus?
But me never really want go into that business, you know. But you see, because I get tied up in it, me have to.
You know what? Me not no time for waste with you, you know. You see you? Oh no, young people, me not make you send up my blood pressure. Guess what? On the road me there right now. Me I go out a cash pot, go see if me catch it before the time pass. You alright? Me not have no time for waste with you.
Mommy, no worry about nothing, man. Me I tell you the truth. It's gonna go alright. And one day me can do something for you too. Yes, me, just understand me, I say, because me tell you already. This is how me want to live, the chopper lifestyle.
Chopper lifestyle.
I want to make money. Okay? Alright,
Me
alright.
not tell you if you not live your life, you know.
Yeah. I'll call you Saturday, okay?
Live it,
Alright.
you choose it, but I don't business with it.
Nothing not work from morning, brother. My phone soon dead. How I go on? How go on, puppy Dan? Ready, I say?
Boy, I know me can't say that them under you. God no.
Boy, I not even know if you tell us.
Me send him man if you go collect piece of food for me, you see me, cause remember me I tell you some holy client today, you see me?
Yeah.
And to send it to my account first, but it never that come through. So me link it dog and make it go to Fame account too.
So me can link me for your runner, brother. Me have them, you know. Just call if you call me, brother. See me like how you call me and tell me so that you can't get to that man there. You could have called me same way. You don't have your money right now. You see me?
Boy, if you tell you the truth, me ain't that pre, you know. If you trying to did it with me, you see me, but a normal pre
So you go,
still.
man. Dog can't bite you 2 times. You see me?
True, it's a long
So you
day, you see me, so I just go home, go easy myself, you see me. I have to find him still.
Yeah, man. Just there
Go
go
and
and
big up
look
yourself,
out.
you see me.
Alright. Now see alright.
Now do some night work too, you know.
Yeah, man. Me there, man.
Cause you know say as one down, another one up, you see
Yeah,
me?
man. Now see alright. Me there. Man, I see what go on the line. No what to go put my phone on charge.
Oh, I'm here. Why you have your hand jar?
Right now, me stress out.
With what?
You know how long my son no come home? How much it days?
What day?
Yo.
You know what if you call me and tell you to say the son come there. Your son no come nowhere.
So you no come cut your yard?
No. Right now me at all same way. What kind of son you have? You been gone somewhere. Gone yellow out anyway. That's what I'm telling you. So the mothers will have to grab up for the son and put them in the order. Me, I think my boy could have ramp with me, so I skin in cap. So yeah, say no. So what you do? You don't call the police?
Oh, me fi go call police and me not sure if he missing. Me know when there. Me no know when there. Me no know which part in there. Me all thinking come up on your yard, come cut the place, come me dey wait for the little money. Me not understand them people here. Anytime you see them pick me reach certain age, them pick up other things from their mind. It's like them a work with the devil. They don't listen to we parent. And then we have to take the blame for them. And me send him anyway. Me send him for go. Right now, me don't know if he living or he dead. Me don't know where he there. The boy has stressed me out. Me can't take it no more. I know you, look here, Papa, you know me staying, you know, but I rank with me, you know, because they can't tell me about, say, parent for this and parent for that. The way all me grow my pitney, me no grow them now, we have to go and walk up and down and beg people things. And they all go up and down with friend and go put themselves in a problem. Yo, my youth, you see like how me stress out right now? Me no in a one good mood. Let me stay upon the side with me because I don't want to turn over upon the other side. Me not tell you like me, thank you for your concern. If you come ask me how I do me, but you see when he come on to my pitney and he gone and me no know when they, don't get me upon my wrong side. You hear what me I tell you?
Listen, I not get on your wrong side because me the on my right side, you know. I know me.
You know what? If you know me, know you go on which party they go.
I know me see you know.
You know what? You know what? Go on, man.
Grow your child in the right way and you won't missing.
Look here, go on where I
That's
go.
all I
You
have
see
to say to
you?
you.
You know me notice.
So me have to make sure tell you.
Look here, me tell you something. You know me noticing uno neighbor, uno dung in my business. But uno no know for uno business.
If your business a come over my fence, it a go stand there. If you don't want your business in my place, keep it in your place.
Me no come over your yard, come make no complaint to you.
You don't have to
pass
come over
pass and come question me.
Listen, the son a travel over there. And once the son come over
You see
there.
you know? Leave people business alone. You hear me I tell you? That me no like we do no neighbor.
Alright.
Leave me business. No you come and come question me for now me they tell you come and use it for me. Go on where you go. Sure.
Oh, this.
Why free?
Done.
Yeah, man.
So you lean up on people them care.
How do you read off my car, man? More it, you know? More it, man. More than I client them. Brother, remember me tell you something I put in work, man. How do you, man? I fear time now, you know. Fear time, I know me hold one for you, so you can hold one. You see me? I say, go, man, you see me? Rolex, you know? Yeah, man. Say it upon differently.
There, man. Just go for a shop to buy some mackerel.
Nah, man, they even go no further, man. Come on for the end this year now, man. Here is this, my father.
But
Nah, mal pre, man.
I think on this, you know? I think on you really give me.
General, where you say I go buy a while ago? No food.
But you drive big car now.
You say you go buy mackerel and rice, then you can go buy KFC or cook some big food for your woman with that, man.
Don't give me 10 grand.
I told me to take back things from people. Go on here, man. That's some bad mind friend around here, man. So me to take things from people, you know. Ungrateful boy, you.
Boy, you see, 10 grand can give man you and you drive Mazda. Give thanks still now, but boy, I'll check in on your watch. Call on them bridging, call the boy, make a piece of food in. Yo, quick step. Come check me right now on the end, you don't know already. Alright, no see alright. I'm gonna go do that boy. Hope you're not gone.
Yo,
What go on?
how is it going?
You don't know, say me just see boy, Puppy Dan, pull up in one Chris bus, brother. And the man see me and give me 10 grand. I'm watching him, I go in a bus, I go down in a Kyle, and give me 10 grand.
So you just get 10 grand, so.
10 grand.
How you do?
I'm telling him, say me I go buy some mackerel and rice to go look bored. And give me 10 grand.
You just get 10 grand, so I don't understand. You just get 10 grand.
I know page you for page him right now, because that boy there make a piece of food.
You say something, I don't understand what you say. Hold on. So, you don't mean I want business. You don't really tell me full story, you know.
You don't need to hear nothing more. I say we are page him.
Say man just get 10 grand, so. I'm just have page him, brother.
Then me tell if you fall, you know, fall with me.
Yo, you hear me? Me a bad man in the street. And at this, yo,
Man.
yo. The man get, you say a mackerel you buy and the man get 10 grand.
You know, say Chris boss me tell you say man a jail youth.
Brother, all you sound grateful youth. Brother, you always say a while ago.
Hey, furthermore to no load up your voice for me.
A bad man you talk to, a bad man. Bad man you talk to,
load up your voice for me.
You want me deal with it right there, so? Yo, now bad man in the street, you know. Lower your tone, man.
The cool in, man, the cool. The cool, man.
Me can't be say you're ungrateful, youth.
Good, man. I say I heard.
Hey, petty thing you call man boy, youth.
I say good.
A matter of fact, don't page me. You lose your stripe.
You good, man. I say good. Tell you go on, man. True, man, no buy thing yet, here.
Corey, which part of the place there again? Where? What it look like I right place me then? Okay, alright. That mean me out I get with one blue jump on there. Yes. Okay, yeah, me see garage. Alright, me I come. Me the outside. You can come out. Alright.
Come in. I mean, it's not enough.
Corey,
What, mommy?
are you this?
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, long me not see you.
No, man, if they know I'm too busy, you know, chop business go.
Chop chop. Then
Chop.
Corey,
And then,
this is what's a fear, you a fear one house?
what happened?
Angel, Kayo,
Calm down.
your girlfriend.
Yeah.
God have mercy. So Corey, are this a big old mansion house that you live in? And me down in the ghetto they suffer as your mother. And you know remember me, you not give me not even a dime. Corey, look how me suffer with you. Corey, you really make it in a life and remember me as your mother. Corey, me care of you 9 months. Corey, you have girlfriend. So you get baby too?
Mommy, you don't really understand, but the thing is, I don't really get involved in this because you see this come with a lot of things. What I mean it come with a lot of things? Holy heap of things. We not talk about sacrifice because I'm not in that. But this a job I do for myself, can't get involved in it. I just have to go and live a life and make myself happy. Mommy, you know me love you, you know that. And if I did really want to get involved with that, I can have a place already. But you see, because I know say we don't want to get in certain things, we have to make sure say we make my mother proud and make sure she say, yeah, the son. You see me? So I want you to understand, say, I love you same way, and I don't make nothing change. Because through you see me that is a big house now, I want to chop. One chop and get hold of this. I'm saying I'm going to take myself from out of certain things and come in this place. So I come we get to buy this house and all of them something. But see, rain come now. So go in now.
Corey, me understand everything will come out of your mouth. But Lord have mercy. You in a big house and me live down in a one little piece of foul coat. And you don't remember your mother not even one day? Me understand. But me wish you all the best. It is not safe what you are doing. And me glad you only do it one time and stop all the way you never feel do it none at all. Me can't tell you how to live your life. You get big now and you understand what's going on in the world. But if you want to continue the way you do, it's up to you. Me not tell you to stop, me not tell you to go. But Corey, be careful of what you are doing. Me understand you know. Me understand and me no want come in at your thing for you say me to stop you. Because me know how you stay for a long time. You understand me? Anyway, so and when you get a girlfriend, me don't know nothing about you. A long time me not hear. Corey, me still have the phone where you buy give me for a long time. Me know where did. I like me just tell. Remember, say I tell me say I find it fine, but you me don't want to look so bad. Me say, you know, no neighbor them fast in here.
Yeah.
At the same phone where you find and give him. Me have to can't talk too loud. I eat me after they say you buy give me Corey. I just said it's a old phone me have you know. You could have called the phone, you know, and if I even ask them, Mommy, you're alright, no that feel better. You make me have to walk down the whole village and come and look for you. You think a little yard me stop to catch you so? Me I reach a fear yard and can't believe say you have this a place here. Thank God, you come out of separation. But me not like how you come out of it. So it's up to you. And me not want to involve in there. So anyway, me not come to stay long. Here, me just want to say it's alive and well. Me a run, you hear? Don't worry about nothing. You don't forgive me nothing at all. Me alright. Me no bother want nothing. Me alright. Me try and help out myself. Anyway, nice meeting you. What a nice pretty girl you have. I hope when you're ready to give me grandchildren, you carry them down on the yard and all in a piece of old home. Me welcome them there. Anyway. Alright, me love. What a way you look pretty and smell good though. Lad. Me gone when I come down.